Enhancing Beauties. I'm Shana Chawla, and yes, today's videos is going to be a, what should I say, a vlog style video, just because my camera broke down and my memory card has become defected. My camera's memory card has become defected. Not my memory card. My memory card is okay. So yes, in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you about the face sheet mask. They are the sheet mask, like yes, mask without the mess. Like so you have to open up the wrapper and just put it on your face and just see the magic. So yes, I have got like 5 sheet masks from the Nykaa, and the brand is Face Shop. It's a Korean brand, and yes, it has entered the Indian market like now only very recently, but yes, it has worked wonders in the Korean market and the international market. So yes, let's try these face masks, and I hope that you will like this video. And if you would like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do buy these masks. They are very worth. They only retail for ₹100, and yes, ₹100 face mask is like really good. Like it gives you something which is equal to a facial or face scrub or whatever you whenever you go to the parlor. I can bet that you actually spend 200 rupees minimum on your face if you get facial and bleach and all those things done. But these masks retail for ₹100 and they work wonders. So I'm gonna try one in front of you, and they have like 6 to 7 varieties of face masks. So I'm gonna introduce every variety to you. It's a kind of a first impression video for this Korean Face Shop, Korean brand, that is Face Shop. So let's move into the video. How does that work? Just washed up my face, and now I'm gonna apply the sheet mask for you. Let's go. So guys, sitting up on my favorite corner, and so yes, now I'm gonna start up with this sheet mask. First, I'm taking up this sheet mask. This is the cucumber sheet mask, and which is called as konkombere. I think this is the Korean word which is written over here. So yeah, this is from Face Shop. I'm using cucumber sheet mask just because it provides cooling to your face, and it is a very refreshing agent, and yes, it like detans your face. So it has many good properties which actually brings magic to your face. And so yes, I'm gonna try this because now the summers have actually approached. And though the weather was totally awesome today, it was so rainy, and I love rainy season. I love the cold breeze of the rain. And yes, but the summers are approaching, so cucumber are the best agents to fight the tanning and to fight all other all other UV rays, effect of all other UV rays from the sun. So I think this is the best thing for summer, so I'm gonna try it first. So let's peel it out. Oops, it's kind of jelly content. Okay, yes. So I told you it's mask without mess. Beware that it doesn't goes into your eyes. Directions: wash face and apply toner. Where the hell is the toner? No toner is here. That's okay. Let's do it like that. Pull out mask and carefully place on face. And carefully place on face. That's not good. Remove after 10 to 15 minutes and pat face lightly to absorb remaining essence into skin. Avoid contact with eyes. Yes. Discontinue use if irritation or rash occurs. I look nice, you know, isn't it? You know, it smells like cucumber and I like that. I love cucumber. Cucumber is really beneficial for your face, for your skin, for your body, for your digestion, everything. It has the highest water content and cucumber is so good for losing fat. Yes, it is good for losing fat. So let's see how does this work. This is the first ever time, like, what am I saying? This is the first time ever. This is the first time ever I'm trying this sort of thing, like sheet mask or something of that sort. I have never used such things from outside. I always tend to use natural things. I love natural ingredients being used on the face. Guys, I want to tell you a very good trick for your face. Whenever you try anything out of, like, anything which you're afraid of and you're not sure whether it will work for your face or not, and yes, if you feel any sort of irritation, any rash on your face, any sort of burn on your face using the products like these, so like instantly wash your face with cold water, go take out the eyes, rub it all over your face, all over the place where you applied the product, and then apply the natural aloe vera plant or apply the aloe vera gel which is from Patanjali, and it really works and it tones down the effect of the product, the burning sensation or whatever, and the rashes won't come up. Almost 10 minutes. I am removing it, and yes, let's pat the product on our face, because it's written that after removing the sheet mask, pack the remaining product into your face. So I'm doing that same thing onto my face, and let's see if there's some difference. Yes, let's see whether it has affected me or not. Let's see that. I do feel some sort of freshness. I do feel that. My skin feels soft. I feel that. My skin is soft. It's like chubby soft. And yes, on a closer note, see, this is what I wanted to tell you all. I have a very sensitive skin, and you can see red spots on my skin over here. This is what I am afraid of every time I apply anything on my face. So I don't have it on this side, but I have it on this side. So to be honest, I feel a sort of glow on my face, softness on my face, and yeah, it is soft, it is glowy. But yeah, this is what I am afraid of every time I use such things. But if you don't have that kind of, so let's keep you people here. But if you don't have that kind of sensitive skin, I guess this is something which you can use. It has given glow to my face. I feel fresh, my skin feels soft, and yes, this is nice thing to like detan or refresh up your face. So I'll be introducing some more, I'll be showing you some more. Each product has some different ingredient, it has some or the other different content, and it has a sheet mask of rice also, and I wanted to get that mask, but till the time I went up there to order it, to add it to my bag, it was sold out. And I don't know it has been stocked up, restocked or no or not. I don't know it has been restocked or not, but I think you should all try that. Rice water or rice is something like which does wonders to your face, wonders to your skin tone, wonders to your skin, and you should try that face mask. But I couldn't get that, so I've ordered other 5. So these other 5 also include ingredients which are only available in Korean market, things which are only available in Korean market or international market, and they are not from India. These are kind of international ingredients, and I think you should give it a try. I would also give it a try. I have ordered 5, I would try them. That's okay if I have that because that's not kind of burnt or burn or anything, but I have some sort of irritation over on these cheek areas. They are very sensitive, so that's okay. So I told you that I'll just apply eyes on this point, but other than that, it was refreshing. It has made my skin soft and supple, and it has made my skin glowy also. I think you can see that. Yes, I think you can see that it has made my skin glowy also. So yes, I'm gonna show you other also. So let me show you that. So yes guys, I told you I have ordered other 4 also. I ordered total in 5, and this is goji berry. I'm sorry, this is goji berry, which is available in China, Korea, and this is green tea, and this is white tea, and this is red ginseng. So yes, these are the ingredients which I got from this Face Shop brand, and I would try these. Go to the Google all the ingredients, try to read out the benefits of these ingredients. And yes, goji berry. I want to tell you, goji berry is one of the greatest ingredient used in China, used in Korea, used in Japan, I guess also, and which is best for anti-aging. It removes your wrinkles. It is so best for anti-aging. Yes guys, these ingredients, this especially the goji berry one, it is best for anti-aging. I have read about this. All other ingredients also has one or the other benefit for your skin, but goji berry is really famous in Korea and China. You should go Google, try to find out which is best for you. Buy that. I don't want you to buy every pack, every sheet mask. So, and if you really want me to try all these on camera, do leave a comment in the comment box below. So yes, if you really like this video, if you want such kind of first impression video again in future, if you really liked it, you can comment down below. Tell me, I would do it for sure. You can comment down below what kind of first impressions or what kind of review video you want, what kind of product you want in my next review video. I would for sure do that. Till then, bye bye. I love you so much, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would really love that. It's not chargeable. Thank you till that time. Bye bye.